Hello, everyone. I hope you're well. We're Sherina Balaratnam here, Medical Director and founder of the Aesthetics Clinic in Beaconsfield, Buckinghamshire. I'm excited to be here today with the team from Aesthetic Management Partners all the way from the United States. We were just in Miami together 3 weeks ago. And now you're here, Pri Dowell, who is the Director of Clinical Education for ANP. Love to tell our audience all about Aquafirme, Pri.
Yes, so the Aquafirme XS is a functional device that treats the skin as well as the hair and scalp health. So we have different modalities within the system. We have the EVO system where we can cleanse, exfoliate, and also infuse our biotherapy serums, which is right here.
Now, what's unique about the formulations within the device, Pri?
Yeah, absolutely. So all of our serum solutions are plant-based biotherapy serums. So it is the first on the market. It is safe for all skin types, all ages.
So we've had this now in our clinic since last August, and what I love about it is it all comes from the EXOIE family. Is that correct?
Absolutely. All of our serums have some portion of the EXOIE. So it is truly a plant-based stem cell serums.
So we're used to using these types of devices in terms of high-tech facials, medical-grade facials, but so many things that really sets this one apart. It's the first ever that has a fully Plant-Derived system within it. I've not come across any in my time.
Not to my knowledge. I think we're the first and we're the only one so far.
Fantastic. And I think you've really championed a great device here. I've had this treatment before, and it's got a number of steps. Can you just talk us through the steps?
Yes. Absolutely. So this is the EVO, which has a proprietary microcupping technology. And we infuse all of our serums using this handpiece. We have the EXO2, which is a vibrating massage with LED light.
Yes. So we talked about the vibrating cup, yes. And what I find really, really good about this is a lot of my female patients predominantly very tight jawline, strong masseters. That is the jawline muscle over there. And I do a lot of Botox on there as well as inflow of the massage. But what I love about this is it's actually doing it deep massage. Deep massage. And then you also got this. Can you tell us about that?
Yes, this is our ultra handpiece. This is 1 megahertz ultrasound to help infuse all the serums. We use it with EXOIE as well as a dry for scalp.
So when you say use it with EXOIE, this is what we do the most on in clinic. So our patients will invest in a treatment, which includes the EXOIE. So that means that they use their EXOIE Detox for a week before they come and have this treatment. Yes. And then they come and have the entire treatment with EXOIE running through it.
It's like client stem cell facial. So this is actually our first ever plant-derived stem cell facial that all of you, our patients, have been having since August last year. And how are they liking it?
They love it. And you know what? Since results, we can see, feel, correct, measure, and celebrate that they can. And that is what my marker is.
The great thing about this too is that you can combine it with other technologies. Oh yes, and I know you're a big fan of doing that.
All about combination therapies, and I think our biggest one right now is the one that my team Banu is doing for me, which is the RIVE for the scalp. And then this worked wonders for me, my family, in restoring my scalp health and my hair growth, and I couldn't be in gear.
Yes, thank you so much. You have a lot of good information coming out with the hair.
Fantastic. We look forward to hearing all about it. Hey, thank you, Pri.